Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on railroad crossing alerts in the Waze app in 2026. Do you want Waze to warn you when you're approaching a railroad crossing? If railroad crossing alerts are supported in the Waze version of the Waze app you're installed on your phone, you can manage them through the app alert setting. And here's exactly how. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store. So if you want to download the app or update it, you can do it from the store and enjoy and benefit from an easy and practical driving experience. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to turn on the railway road crossing alerts in the Waze app. The first thing you want to do is to open the Waze app and then click on the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. And then you're going to click on settings. Now after this, you're going to go to alerts and reports. Now here, you're going to click on this alerts and reports section. Now, this section lets you control the types of alerts that Waze can display or announce. As you can see, it says reports. You're going to click on this reports here, and you're going to look through the available alerts categories for railroad crossing. And if the option is available, tap it to open the settings. Now let's look for the railroad option. You're just gonna scroll down until you find something that has options for railroad. No, maybe it's not available in this option right here, but it can be close to like closure here, or even it can be like barriers, etc., or blocked lanes, depending on your version. Now, once enabled, Waze can notify you when you approach a mapped railroad crossing. The alerts can give additional awareness of the crossing ahead. And keep your attention on the road and follow all railroad signs and signals. And that's it. That's how to check and enable railroad crossing alerts in the Waze app in 2026. And if you like this video and found it's helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.